今天来买些水果。水果 fruit 水果水果水果
What's up, guys? This is Chinese learning course. Today we will learn fruits. 请吃个苹果，苹果 apple，苹果苹果苹果。
吃个苹果吧。
谢谢，不用了，我不吃。
In daily life, we often omit please 请 when talking to friends or acquaintances. 来吃个橘子，橘子 mandarin orange，橘子橘子橘子。
来，吃橘子。
There are two ways of writing the character 橘 Both are correct.
来吃个香蕉，香蕉 banana，香蕉香蕉香蕉。来吃块西瓜，西瓜 watermelon，西瓜西瓜西瓜。来吃菠萝，菠萝 pineapple，菠萝菠萝菠萝。
这是草莓，草莓 strawberry，草莓，草莓，草莓。这是葡萄，葡萄 grape，葡萄，葡萄，葡萄。提子 is one kind of group，提子，提子，提子。桃 peach，桃，桃，桃。梨 pear，梨，梨，梨。橙子 orange，橙子，橙子，橙子。柑子 loose-skinned mandarin orange，柑子，柑子，柑子。柚子 grapefruit，柚子，柚子，柚子。木瓜 papaya，木瓜，木瓜，木瓜。火龙果 pitaya，火龙果，火龙果，火龙果。柠檬 lemon，柠檬，柠檬，柠檬。芒果 mango，芒果，芒果，芒果。枇杷 loquat，枇杷，枇杷，枇杷。哈密瓜 honey melon，哈密瓜，哈密瓜，哈密瓜。甜瓜 muskmelon，甜瓜，甜瓜，甜瓜。梨瓜 a kind of muskmelon，梨瓜，梨瓜，梨瓜。樱桃 cherry，樱桃，樱桃，樱桃。车厘子 is translated by pronunciation，车厘子 cherries。The sounds are very similar, right? 车厘子，车厘子，车厘子。蓝莓 blueberry，蓝莓，蓝莓，蓝莓。李子 plum，李子，李子，李子。杏 apricot，杏，杏，杏。牛油果 avocado，牛油果，牛油果，牛油果。柿子 persimmon，柿子，柿子，柿子。石榴 pomegranate，石榴，石榴，石榴。猕猴桃 kiwi fruit，猕猴桃，猕猴桃，猕猴桃。桑葚 mulberry，桑葚，桑葚，桑葚。荔枝 lychee，荔枝，荔枝，荔枝。榴莲 durian，榴莲，榴莲，榴莲。枣 Chinese date，枣，枣，枣。
I like to eat fruits. I eat an apple every day. I like any kind of fruit. What kind of fruit do you like? If you cannot remember all the fruit names, it's okay. Please remember 3 or 5 Chinese names of your favorite fruits first. Okay, don't forget to eat fruits today. If you feel this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button on your way out. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon in the next video. Bye. 再见。